Woke up at 1:10 in the morning, and the smoke alarm woke us up. And this is what happened in just a couple of minutes. We got out with our pajamas, and everything in there is gone. Try and take a shot against the sun here. I don't know if it'll work. Let's see in here. And here's a shot from the driver's side, looking in on the kitchen portion. I'll go inside in just a minute, and we can look at it better from in there. The roof is completely gone. Both sides, everything in there is burned. This is our bedroom. I went through the sides and cabinets and pulled everything out. Everything is burned up. See the cabinets. Everything completely burned. And the Venetian blinds and ceiling, and there's our nightstand, drawers, everything in there was water soaked, burned. Soot. A 10-gallon bucket that was in the shower, shoes. This is our shower. And this is where the problem started. The closet above the furnace here was on fire first. And that's the bugger that started the whole mess. This is our clothes cabinet right here. Let's take a look the other way. Here's our dining room table, our couch, and the dashboard. Amazingly enough, we got cards out of that glove box up there. There's our 2 swivel chairs, our sink, there's the oven, range, microwave. Here's all of our fish that was frozen yesterday from the freezer, ready to bring home. And here's the bottom part of our refrigerator. Not much left. Thank you, Lord, for letting us live. For hearing that smoke alarm to get out. Thank you. Here's some dear folks that are giving us this tape and letting us use the camera, watching a dog for us. Tell us where you're from, Roy. Introduce yourself.
Well, we grew up in St. Louis. We retired to Cherokee Village 10 years ago. That's Arkansas. So that's where we're returning, back to Arkansas.
I see. Great. And your names?
Roy Burkhead, and this is Marcella Burkhead.
That's great. Wonderful folks. And Jan, I want you to introduce yourself.
I'm Jeanette.
And a very helpful.
I haven't showered yet.
Oh,
or brushed my teeth, but I've had lots of coffee from these nice people.
And taking lots of pictures for us. Thank you.
Oh, you're